What is up, guys? It is Dominic from MDP, and today we're going to be playing around with my GSX S750. Sorry if it's a little windy, but today I'm going to do a little exhaust review for the, however you pronounce this, AKRAPOVIC, whatever. So we're going to do a little review on this. I'm going to install this. First, I'm going to give you guys a cold start of the stock exhaust. Quick little cold start. And then we'll go from there. Sounds, I mean, it's not much, it's quiet as hell, as to be expected. It's a stock exhaust. It is about to snow, so I'm going to try to make this a real quick video. No one really wants to hear it. You already have the GSX S750, you know how the exhaust sounds. So I'm going to pop this exhaust off in the next clip, run it without the exhaust so you guys can kind of hear how it is without the exhaust. And then I'm going to add that on there, and we'll see the difference. We compare and contrast. So, let's do that. Actually snowing, oddly enough, for some reason. In the middle of March, in May. I forget what month we're in, but this is the stock exhaust. Not too much of a difference. More motor noise than anything. I shut her down. Ready to take the clamp off. This bolt just has to come out. This all just pops off. That all just slips on. So easy peasy. Let's get this done. So I shut that down before my neighbors freak out. Let's install this baby. Let's see where it goes.
Hey guys, Dominic here. We have successfully gotten the exhaust for the beautiful Suzuki. This is how it sounds. That's just loud as hell.
Installed, warm already. I can't really get it cold already, but here's how it sounds. Warm. That's gonna be the GP Series AKRAPOVIC. Can't pronounce that, but thick. See how it is on the road, probably in the next video, or a video in the future, but for right now, it's just kind of warming up, so it's smoking a little bit, but thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys like the video, slap it with a